Hi, this is Patrick from Explorer's Kitchen, and today we are making a Clementine Mojo. This is a very quick and easy recipe. It only takes about 5 to 8 minutes to complete, and so I think you'll have no problem making it at all. This recipe goes with our potluck pintxos, and I wanted to get that other video out quickly, so I decided to make this a separate video. Alright, it's the day of the potluck. How do I look? I think I look okay. Time to make the mojo. So, it's super easy. Let's do it together. Start by slicing 8 cloves of garlic thinly. Meanwhile, I'm going to start a 1/4 cup of olive oil with a medium heat. I'm going to add it to the oil. We're just going to simmer this garlic for a few minutes until it gets a little golden. We don't want it to burn. That's about where we want it, just starting to get a little pale. We get a little color on it. At that point we want to put in our juices. We have about 3 tablespoons of clementine juice and about a 1/2 cup of lime juice. And normally you'd make this with water, but again I have that lovely pork juice, so I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of that. We also add about a teaspoon of cumin. I'm just going to eyeball it here. And about a 1/2 teaspoon of oregano. About a teaspoon of salt. And some black pepper. Now that it's boiling, we can pull it off the heat and pour it out. We'll let that cool to room temperature, and that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and please let me know what you want me to make next. As we get into the new year, I think we've got a lot of recipes to make, and I'm looking forward to going into 2019 together. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Happy New Year.